True. Hello guys. Today I'll be showing you how to do a Wi-Fi attack. You can use this method to crack passwords of your nearby Wi-Fi networks and access points. I'll be guiding you how to do it. I'll give you all the steps. I'll give you all the commands. The necessary things are Kali Linux, of course. You can install it using a virtual machine, or dual boot it into your laptop, PC, or anything. Also, you'll need an external Wi-Fi adapter. This is an external Wi-Fi adapter. You can use this to perform the Wi-Fi attack. Also, keep in mind this external Wi-Fi card has to support packet injection and monitoring. If this does not support packet injection and monitoring, there is no use of it. You can do Wi-Fi attacks. You can capture the handshake. You'll need this card to support packet sniffing and packet injection. Okay, keep that in mind. Let's get started. I'll show you how to do it step by step. This was my first tutorial, so if there's any mistake I did or some explanation I missed, please don't mind. Continue watching. Now that we're inside Kali, I'll show you all the required steps and the drivers you need to get installed to perform this Wi-Fi attack. Let's get started. Open your terminal. First run the update command to get the latest version of Kali and all the dependencies with it. The command is sudo apt update. This will perform all the updates. Give your password for this. My machine is already updated. I just updated. Okay, one package has been upgraded. If you do this, many packages would be installed. Please give it time and then run all the commands which I show you now. Okay, let's perform this Wi-Fi attack actually. Okay, let's get started. First thing, plug in the Wi-Fi adapter which I showed you in the beginning to your computer. After plugging in to your computer, you need to give access to the virtual machine. The virtual machine should pass through the network adapter to the Kali machine. I'll show you how. I am using UTM. This is a virtual machine box for M1 Max, then Apple Silicon Max. Here you can see USB devices. If you click USB devices, this is showed here, right? 802.11.n WLAN. This is the Wi-Fi adapter. To check if this has been passed through, open terminal, type lsusb, list all USBs connected. Now this is listed here, right? Rolling technology MT7601U wireless adapter. If you do not get this, you cannot perform the further actions. First fix this. If you don't get it, or if you get it, you can perform the next steps and follow through. The next step is install all the required tools. I have already installed the required tools here, but I'll show you again. All the commands will be in the description. Aircrack, this is a tool which is required for packet sniffing, packet injection, deauthentication, wireless handshake, capture, all those things. Okay, let's I have already installed this. If it's already installed, it will try to update it to the latest version. Even if it's already in the latest version, it will not do anything. But if you install it, it will install all the dependencies with it. Give you a sudo password for this. After installing this, let's build those tools. Again, update. You have already done this. You don't need to do it again. You can copy this and paste it here. This will build all the required necessary tools. This was upgrading and all the process have been completed here. It installed several packages, as you can see here. All those packages will be unpacked and built properly. The next one, based on what wireless card you chose, you need to install specific drivers for it. Mine was MT610U wireless card adapter, so I'm using this. Make sure you get the name of the wireless card and get the necessary drivers for it. You get the point, right? After all building this, reboot the Kali machine. If you do not reboot it, the driver may not be completely built. It will not work. Okay, after all these steps, the real Wi-Fi hacking begins. First, before using the airmon command, several processes may be blocking WLAN or that Wi-Fi adapter you disconnected. So kill all the processes. You may get several 2, 3, 4 processes running in the background. So you need to first check those and kill those processes first. This is the command sudo airmon-ng. Check all the processes which are blocking those and kill those processes. As you can see here, PID name and 1264WA supplicant. These two processes were in the background. This check kill command checked it and stopped those processes. Now you can continue with it. Okay, this is the main part. Those wireless adapters have two modes: managed access point mode and monitor mode. In an access point mode, it behaves as a normal Wi-Fi router. In monitor mode, you can monitor those packages, inject packages to other Wi-Fi networks, deauthenticate them. First, you need to set this Wi-Fi card to the monitor mode. To set up those mode, let's first do this. Okay. Run this command to set the WLAN down first. As you can see, the WLAN has been set to down. No need to run this again, by mistake I did. After this, this is the main one. You need to set your Wi-Fi card to monitor mode. This set type monitor will change it to monitor mode. This has been done now. You need to bring it back, turn on the Wi-Fi card again. You turned it off before setting it to monitor mode. Now you're turning it back on. This has been up now. Now before going ahead, you need to check if it's in actually monitor mode. To check this, run this command iwdev. Okay, now see here, interface WLAN 0, this is our Wi-Fi card. The type here is in monitor. This is the main thing. If it's in managed access point or managed, this will not work. This type should be in monitor. You can also check this with iw-config. If you run this WLAN 0, this is our Wi-Fi card. Sorry. Okay, this is our Wi-Fi card mode. As you can see here, mode is in monitor. Now you can continue with this Wi-Fi attack packet injection that I'll show you. Okay, after this, now let's scan all the Wi-Fi networks in our surrounding area. This is a cheap Wi-Fi card, so it only supports 2.4 gigahertz. If you buy some expensive Wi-Fi cards, they'll support both 2.5 and 5 gigahertz. My Wi-Fi card only supports 2.4 gigahertz. Now let's scan all the Wi-Fi networks. Okay, WLAN 0. This, if you ask what is this, this is a command I have run before only. So it's picking up that history and recommending this. You will not get it if you had not run it before. No need to worry. If you follow my steps, you can do it easily. Now sudo airodump WLAN 0 scans all the Wi-Fi networks in the surrounding area. Now you can see here one by one this will appear, all the Wi-Fi networks. bssid means the MAC address. You can leave all this, not important. This channel number, you need to note down the channel number, BSSID and the SSID, name of the Wi-Fi network. WPA2, this is also important. If it's WPA3 or more secure than WPA3, this won't work. This is a simple basic Wi-Fi attack. You need to note down the channel number which you are targeting, the Wi-Fi network channel number, the BSSID and the name. After you get it in the list, you can stop this by pressing Ctrl+C, quit. Wait for your network to show up here. Note down all those BSSID, channel number and SSID, and stop this command. It will stop scanning for Wi-Fi networks. Now you can start targeted captures. After you note down those details which I told you about, this is the next command which you should run. sudo airodump-ng. bssid means the MAC address. You need to fill it here, and the channel number. You need to write the channel number there, and handshake to capture that handshake. Let's do it now.
Meanwhile, across town, in this less than fashionable cubbyhole of the San Francisco Examiner, these editors are programming to...
It's already here. It's already recommended for me, but you can do it. Just put your bssid there and channel number there, // right, capture and wlan. Some of the Wi-Fi cards may also show it as WLAN 0 MON separately. In that case, you should not write WLAN 0. You need to write WLAN 0 MON for monitor. WLAN 0 MON. Now, if I start this, only the network I selected would be handled like this. Only the network I gave it is being monitored now. Okay. Now let's. As you can see here, no device is connected to this guest network, which I normally did. Let's connect it. See, I connected with my other device. It suddenly popped up here. You can see the MAC address of the device I connected it with. To perform this Wi-Fi attack, you need at least one device to connect this. You need at least one device connected to that network, that particular network you were hacking. Now let's perform this next step. Now deauthentication, right? The deauthentication, you need to keep this running. Open another terminal. Here paste this command. Okay. Same here. It's already shown for me. You can use your MAC address and write WLAN 0 MON if required for your device. This 10 means it sends 10 deauthentication packages to it. You can do 20, 30, or if you write 0, it will keep on sending it until you quit it. Okay. Now let's send a deauthentication package. I'll show you. Now deauthentication packages are coming back. Now if the device, see this, it captured this WPA handshake here, WPA handshake of the device. What essentially happens here is you are monitoring this particular network, in this case guest network, Prasanna guest. One device is connected to that network. When you send this deauthentication package, that device will be disconnected from the network. Once the device try to connect it back to that network, this captures that handshake. In that handshake, the password will be there. After you capture the handshake, this is the last command to crack it. One thing before you crack it, I have given this command handshake. This is the name of the file where the CAPT file will be stored. This is the name of that file. Before you proceed to that next step, I'll show you here. This is the command which you should write, right? Aircrack-ng. This is .cap file. This is the file name you should what you should have given. In the previous command, handshake was replaced. I replaced it with hack201.cap. You should write handshake.cap or the file name which you have given to perform this Wi-Fi attack. /w, this is the path where that rock.txt file is there. Usually in Kali Linux, it's in user share wordlist rock.txt. I have placed this rock.txt file in my documents folder. Okay, now if I start this, you'll see here, right? It's matching all the passwords in that word list to your password. If there's a match, you'll get it here. If the match is not there, you won't get it here. You need to check with a different word list or an advanced word list or a customized word list for your region. Please use this only for educational purposes. Don't use it for unethical purposes. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts or any comments or any errors, please leave that in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. This was my first tutorial, so if there's any mistake I did or some explanation I missed, please don't mind. Continue watching, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Peace.